How to join a live on TikTok. Request to join live on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join or request to join a live on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the TikTok app, make sure that it is updated. If not, please go to the App Store or to your Play Store and update your TikTok application. Now let's just head on and open the app. And from the For You page or from your home page, we can see this button at the top left corner that says live. So let's just click on that. And that will show all the current live videos that is going on right now. Now, if you want to request to join a particular live, if the user that is going on live enable the feature that someone can join their live, this button should be seen. So the button I am referring to is this particular button that has a people logo in pink and blue, is the one that you can use to request to join the live. So let's just click on that. So here you can read go live together, and here is a request button. So when you click on that, you are requesting to join the live on TikTok. So take note that live videos are public and your followers may be notified, and a recording of the live video will be available to the host. So once you click on this request button right here, it will be received by the host that is going on live, and they will be the one to decide if they're going to accept or decline your request of joining their live. So you may have to wait if they allow your request. And that is how you can request to join live on TikTok.
So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.